Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix the Spotify no internet connection problem. Now at first you need to go to your Spotify, and if you open up your Spotify, you will see just above your bottom bar, you'll see a no internet connection available command. Right? So if this happens, it is probable that your internet is not connected to your phone, your Wi-Fi is off, or your mobile data is not on. Now go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi. Or if you don't have Wi-Fi available, go ahead and connect your mobile data. If you have your Wi-Fi, you will not be needing your mobile data. Now that you've opened your Wi-Fi, you'll see that the no internet connection available line is now gone. So this is how you fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.